Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I will show you how to do a seed stitch. So let's get started. So in order to do a seed stitch, I will chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here I have my 10 chains. Now what I will do is I will alternate between single crochet and double crochet for this pattern. So in the second chain from the hook, I will do a single crochet, and in the next chain I will do a double crochet. Now again in the next chain I will do a single crochet, and in the next one I will do a double crochet. So this is how the pattern is. So you need to alternate between single crochet and double crochet. And once you have reached the end of the row, in your second row, what you will need to do is you will need to single crochet in double crochet and double crochet in a single crochet from the first row. So let me show that to you. So this is how it looks so far. So I've done a double crochet. Now I will do a single crochet. I will do a double crochet in the next one. I'll do a single crochet, do a double crochet in the next, I'll do a single crochet in the last. So now I have ended up with a single crochet at the end. So I will chain 2. I will turn my work around. This chain I will count as a double crochet, since this was a single chain, single crochet. This will be counted as the first double crochet. So now in the next chain, which is a double crochet, I will do a single crochet. Next is a single crochet. I will do a double crochet. Next is a double crochet to a single crochet. So this is a very simple stitch. So you just need to alternate between a single and a double crochet. This is the last or the first single crochet that we had. So we are ending up here with a double crochet. So this is how a seed stitch looks like. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you in my next tutorial. Thank you. If you enjoyed watching, hit like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more videos.